Plane-stopping hydraulic cables, like those used on aircraft carriers, are incredibly expensive due to several key factors. First, the materials used are extremely costly. These cables are made from high-strength steel or exotic alloys that can withstand the immense force of landing aircraft. To resist rust and corrosion from harsh weather, especially on naval ships, the cables are coated or treated with specialized materials, further increasing the cost. Next, the manufacturing process is highly precise and labor-intensive. The cables are woven from thousands of wire strands to create a product with no weak points. Since precision is essential, any flaws in the production process could lead to catastrophic failure. Ensuring this level of accuracy requires advanced machinery, skilled labor, and constant quality checks, all of which drive up costs. Another major factor is safety. Each cable must undergo rigorous testing to ensure it can handle the forces generated by aircraft landing at speeds of 150 to 200 miles per hour. Meeting strict safety standards, set by organizations like the FAA or military regulations, requires constant inspections, certifications, and testing, which adds significant expense. The high price is also influenced by research and development. Manufacturers are constantly working on lighter, stronger, and more durable materials to meet the needs of modern aircraft. Customization for specific aircraft carriers or airports also raises costs, as each client may require unique specifications. Additionally, the market for these cables is small. Unlike automotive or construction cables, arresting system cables have a very niche market, meaning production costs are spread over fewer units. This results in a higher per unit price. Finally, there are costs related to installation and maintenance. Specialized equipment and highly trained personnel are required to install these cables, and they must be regularly inspected, maintained, and replaced. This ongoing maintenance adds to the lifetime cost of the system. In summary, plane-stopping hydraulic cables are so expensive because they require high-end materials, precise manufacturing, intense safety testing, ongoing research, and costly installation and maintenance. Their role in mission-critical aviation safety leaves no room for error, making quality and reliability more important than price.